Hello, this is 2-Bit Miner. This is a unboxing for a mining kit from gpuShack, the makers of ethOS. This is a kit for 5 GPUs. You get Intel motherboards, you get 4 gigs of RAM, and which is this. Not the best RAM in the world, but it gets the job done. You know, USB thumb drive with ethOS on it. ethOS is usually about $40. Get the processor. In this case, it's a G1840. Here's the motherboard. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 PCIe slots. That's 5 connections right there. And it looks like it's got an M2 slot maybe. That'd be an extra one. But this is only advertised for 5. So this, gpuShack says that you're guaranteed for this to work up to 5 GPUs. Anyway, that's what's inside, in case you're wondering what you might get if you buy this kit. You still need to buy the power supply and the GPUs and the risers. If you have any questions, comment below. Thanks.